Good morning, everybody. We have a visitor here. It's a peacock. We're in Rolling Hills, California, and we're doing our video today on drainage. And so, as you can see, we have these homes here up in Palos Verdes and Rolling Hills Estates. A lot of them are built over very, very close to ravines. Well, the thing we don't want is for soil to erode down, to continue eroding down, and there are homes that have actually fallen. So in order to prevent that, there are these big drains that have drainage pipe made out of plastic, and this goes from the water comes off the hillside onto the grass, and it goes into the drain. The drain goes in a plastic pipe to prevent soil erosion, and it goes into the ravine. So, but how do you make drains look pretty? Well, here's one idea. You can see the rocks around the drain, and so the rocks will keep the bark in place. Now you can see a lot of drip irrigation that was installed. This is the Rainbird Copper Shield drip irrigation done properly. Once it's installed, here's another drain. You want to make sure that you put bark down. So we put 5 cubic yards of bark already, and we're gonna have another 6 more at least that we're gonna lay today. You can see we got the lighting in here, the WAC lighting, and there's drip irrigation underneath all this. But here's another drain. This is another example how pretty you can make it look. Simple, keeps the bark at bay. So pollinator fountain about to be installed, but here's another example of a drain. Keeps the bark at bay. It prevents it from plugging up the drain right there. So just ideas like that. Oh, here's another one. These are some simple ideas that you can incorporate into your landscape. Reason you want to use the bark is because it's very attractive. It helps to retain moisture. It keeps the weeds down, and it just looks very darn attractive. It also has mycorrhizal fungi, encourages that growth, which is like an extension of your root system. So these are all California native plants here, native milkweed. Yeah, and so we still have yet to install the bark over here, but when we do, the drains will be safe. The mulch isn't going to block the drainage. So the little things like that, you want to make sure that you keep going in your landscape so that you can make the landscape safe. Okay, thanks for joining. Take care.